हाय एवरीवन, आई होप यू फाइन एंड डूइंग वेल। ये मौलाना आज़ाद नेशनल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी है और शाम में ऐसे ही सन्नाटा पड़ा होता है और थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है। हम कभी यहाँ तफरीह के लिए आते हैं। टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई एम अ रिसर्च स्कॉलर हियर and very frequently I visit this university. I work some research work, then I return to my hometown. Most of the time when I come that place, I try to shoot. As you know, this is my hobby. You know what I want to show you? The grandness of this administrative building. This is one of the amazing building here, मतलब जो कि बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल में बना हुआ है। Whenever you come to see this administrative block or administrative building of this university, you will think that this is the mosque or something else, but it's the administrative block of Maulana Azad National Urdu University, and this is the small park in front of this university, which is very appealing. You can say whenever I come here, I try to shoot. Most of the time I talk about the aura and vibration of any kind of place, and the aura and vibration of this place is also quite different. And आप अभी देख रहे होंगे, if you are in Delhi, if you are in north part in this time, you keep sweating actually. That will it's too difficult for you to stay outside at this time. But here in this university campus or at this location, the weather is quite amazing and we can feel the beauty of changing weather of this South India. मैं आपको बता दूँ one thing कि the cleanness of this university. Whenever I come in a day, you can see the the cleaning staff working on this garden, and most of the time they just keep cleaning the entire campus, inside the building, outside the stair, and you can find the the cleaning staff over here. I don't know what budget they offer for the cleaning staff, but at the same time you can see that this place is quite silent. No students are here, very few students are here, like us. And it is one of the central university of India, but I'll say you why this central university establishes. Actually, this central university was founded on the ideology of Maulana Azad. Actually, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was the first education minister of India. Very few Indians know about it.